What is good, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're about to link up with Ken yet again. Here's Ken in the vlogs. We're actually gonna go to the Nike Louis exhibit that's in Brooklyn, and then we're gonna have like a cute little brunch moment. It's actually Memorial Day weekend this weekend, and there's some other plans that I kind of have like lined up. Not 1,000% sure just yet, but if it happens, just best believe y'all finna see it. But right now I'm almost about to arrive. How many minutes, babe? Like 2 minutes away?
We're like, 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're like
right on the dock, man.
We're like 2 minutes away. So again, before we dive on into this video, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Simply Soribel. With all that said, let's get right into the video.
Okay. I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep? I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep?
What's up, y'all? So
we made it out.
We made it out. First of all, shout out to us having that fast pass, because we was waiting on that line for no reason.
Yo, there was this guy. No, I'm so serious. Like there was this guy that was sitting like was waiting with us.
And we just left the whole thing, and we were in there for like 40 minutes at least.
Yeah, and he's still
outside.
That's crazy.
Crazy, and it's about a downpour soon. So
downpour where?
You said it like at 5. Look, I see it right here. 4 o'clock, little thunderstorm on my watch.
I may have lied about that.
But right now we're looking for a wall to take flicks, because you already know what time it is. Whenever we out here with Ken,
we gotta
pictures all the time. I got a couple of cute ones, but you know Ken loves his artistic thingies. So as we look for a wall, you know, I'm gonna give y'all a little behind the scenes of me taking the flicks for Ken, and then after this we're going to brunch. I still don't. Where are we going?
We might go to Bluestone Lane in Dumbo. Bluestone Lane in Dumbo.
That's
might. And it's the way the sun is looking up. We might do a rooftop.
Oh. You already fucking know. But I'll talk to y'all after we're done with the little photo shoot moment, because we still have to find a wall. And then my boyfriend's actually on his way. He's gonna be joining us for brunch. So there's that. Yo. So we are in a tennis court, like a handball court, and we about to play something.
Get on my ones when I didn't have no friends to ride. Sticks on my dolls and I can't even lie to you. Got too much pride for you. Gotta stay safe in these streets don't play favors though. I'm not afraid of it though. God is okay with me, so life for that shade that you throw. I've seen you take it low, limbo right under that hole. Fuck out my face. I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would
Hey y'all, so I haven't, the music, copyright. Next thing on the agenda is some Mochii ice cream spot that Ken is gonna show us. Honestly, today, every time I hang out with Ken, best believe it's always on vibes. The only thing we ever have planned is the artsy shit. Food.
Looking good.
Oh yeah, looking good, of course. But food or like anything after, that's really a on the whim type thing. But I'm always gonna make sure to disclose downstairs down in the description below where it is that we're going. What's the name of the place, Ken?
It's called Mochii.
Oh, it's just called Mochii.
With 2 eyes.
Oh, with 2 eyes. Okay, so we're
7th?
Yes, East 7th. How
So-
far is it from here?
Ooh. Anyways, so we're about to go to this little cute Mochii spot, and I'm just gonna continue taking you guys along for the ride. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. If so, thumbs up, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna continue taking you guys along for the ride.
Take them along for the ride.
Exactly.
Also, PSA, YouTube vlog, whatever you want to call yourself. If you're in a situation with somebody whose name we're not gonna announce.
Oh my God, Ken!
But if you're in a position where somebody's draining you and like you think you're staying because you think at some point it's gonna work out. It's not. So just move on and be happy. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Bye.
Wise words from Ken. If anybody's draining you and wasting your time, walk away.
It ain't gonna never work.
You gotta have a segment like that every time you go with Ken.
It ain't gonna
We're gonna do that. Wise words with Ken.
Wise words with Ken.
Welcome to the debut of Wise Words with Ken.
It ain't gonna never work. So move on.
Ken, you better have mad quotes. Like that.
Wait, you said what?
You better have them quotes ready next time.
Yeah, because now the people gonna expect them.
And be like, what?
But I'll talk to y'all later.
Late.
I found a new muse. That's bad news for you. Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep you around? Why would I keep? I found a new muse. That's bad news for you.
Normally I don't talk about food situations, but I had to pause this to let y'all know that these coconut pancakes from Miss Lily's, chef's freaking kiss. I'm gonna have Zahra tell you how she feels about her meal because she's the one eating it, but these pancakes, yeah. Let me get another bite. Let me get another bite. This is busting. You wanna taste it?
No, girl. I do actually. I'm tempted, but I'm like, I'm in this motion right now.
Here comes Zahra's review. Hold on. There you go.
Hi, guys. Okay. So, as you guys know, I'm a Jamaican born and raised. So, obviously, you know, I'm very specific about my Jamaican food. I got the jerk chicken roti. It's amazing. I grew up eating roti in my family. So good. Rice and peas, bussin', chicken, bussin', everything. Chef's kiss.
So right now, we're to that bitch strolling in the Lower, is it the Lower East Side? Yeah, Lower East Side, looking for a place to take pictures. I'm a little lit, I ain't gonna hold you. I feel like my margarita was a little strong. They were a little heavy-handed with that tequila, but I ain't complaining. But now we're gonna take some pictures because that's what we do. We're content baddies, so we're gonna get content for the girls. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue to take y'all along. Ooh, I'm gonna continue to take y'all along. So we got some pictures. It wasn't like the spot. Oh, okay.
I don't, come on, light, come
Oh,
on, skin. It's the
yeah.
moment.
It wasn't. It wasn't the spot. So now we're on our way to Soho because we're gonna go get some ice cream, and hopefully we can find something. Oh, that was rude. Hopefully we can find something over there. You know, just that we're like more of a fan of. But we still got some cute pictures. I'm gonna just show you one that I like. Sorry, Zahra, it's gonna be over your face. And then, yeah, I don't know if Zahra's gonna post any of hers, but
I will be posting the ones that we get so.
oh yeah, follow her. What is it, Zahra Mars or Zahra Mars?
Yeah, so you can follow me at zar.mars.
Her, get into it. Make sure you follow her. And follow her on TikTok because her TikToks are popping. Is it the same on TikTok?
It's zara.mars.
Okay. She has two type of things.
We'll put it on the screen.
Yeah, and it'll be on the screen and down below in the description. So yeah, now we're on our way to Soho, and I'll see y'all when we're there.
Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on miles away. I can't blame you, no.
We just arrived. Good. I'm so excited. I haven't been to a fair and honestly I don't know what, but do y'all see that sunset behind me? Yeah. So now we're about to go have a good time, and I'll keep you guys posted and along for the ride.
Passionate from miles away,
And for the best of the West,
passing up on miles away. I can't blame you, no.
I'm not gonna hold y'all. We've been in here for like, I guess like what, 10 minutes, 20 minutes? And we have done absolutely nothing. Outside of him trying that claw machine, which was rigged. Absolutely rigged. Hold on, this is... Okay, there we go. Which is absolutely rigged. Now we're gonna try to wait online to get on the ride. So let's see what happens. But there's more games. There's more other stuff, so... we're gonna try to like do as much as we can. Wait, did he do it? I think he did it. Yeah, he did it. He did the star. Yeah. That was him. Yay! So after waiting, we're finally about to get on a ride. I hope I don't get copyrighted, but woo! We can't record on there because we will lose everything. We survived.
Off to the B9 game.
We're playing another game. Hold on, baby. Hold on. I'm a little freaking woozy. That had me done dizzy.
That got me dizzy.
That shit has us weak in the knees.
You gotta do the little sponge hop.
Now that we're kind of put together, that shit had us dizzy as hell. We're about to go play another game. Woo. I also want to do another ride though, babe. I want to do like at least 3. You want to do what? This is the shooter thing.
I want to try the shooter
I
one.
thought you were gonna do beanbags.
I'll do beanbag next.
Okay, so Roger's about to shoot it up. Alfred's about to shoot it up. Are you gonna shoot? You gonna shoot? You gonna shoot? Oh, she's not gonna shoot. Me neither. So
They just here for the prizes.
yeah, exactly. Wait, hold on. I don't know. Okay, got me this guy.
It's a cow.
Yeah.
What is it? I was like,
She kept on following the elephant.
Cause I was staring at the elephants over there. But yeah, we're gonna continue to enjoy ourselves and have a good time. I was like,
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, babe. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up.
we're about to finally get on this one. Are you having fun? And we're on it. This is the scrambler.
The scrambler.
Scramblers. We're about to be scrambled like some weathers. That last ride, I had to stop recording because the way we was about to get our necks snapped in half, it was crazy. It was crazy. But it was fun, right, babe?
It was.
Come through and chill, just like you will.
Only us big ass human beings who barely fit on anything will try to get on these teddy bears. Let's see if it's a success.
Come through and chill.
Can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did
Just
it.
say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. All night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night.
What is good, beautiful people? Today is Saturday, and I'm finally picking the camera back up. I know by this point you guys already saw the cute little montage from yesterday. I am exhausted. It is currently 11 o'clock in the morning, and we're about to go do some paintballing. I've never done this before. I've seen people leave paintball with bruises, but at the end of the day, we here only live once, like Drake said. But now we're about to go meet up with everybody, and yeah, I'm about to continue taking y'all along for this ride because I wanted to give y'all a vlog of like my just summer in general, because summer's been so fun exhausting, but fun. So yeah, let's get into it.
If you could see it from the front until you see it from the back, back, till you see it back, yeah, back, till you see it from the back, back, till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front.
So right now we're just waiting, and I can't take my phone, and I have to take my Apple Watch off. And don't lock it. It's the birthday girl. That's why we here doing violent crimes and shit. Risk me.
We about to go into the war.
We're going to war. I said risk me, like put the risk. Before anything, we out to orientation. I got my cute little camo suit. Her. Like, they can't see me, but they most definitely can. Oh my God. This is the battlefield.
You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like to keep on wanting more. You ask me, told you where you at, huh? They don't wanna know how long it take to put my pants up.
Round one, done. Shot in the face. You see that shit swelling up? Yeah. I'm gonna fight whoever did that. They shot me up close when they weren't supposed to. They were supposed to go bang, bang, skeet, skeet. But I'm not gonna record too much because that bunny playing in the background. But now we're about to go into round two, and I'll see y'all once we're done with that. We just finished that. I look a mess. But let me tell you, this second time, I wasn't playing. Let the people ask about me. Bree, was I playing this time around?
She wasn't playing.
Period. From the sidelines, was I playing?
Nah,
I was a
not at all.
sprinter. I don't even run that fast, but I ran. I look absolutely crazy, but I'm gonna look cuter later. But now, what's the vibe? Because we can't. We're going to. We're gonna pull up with paintball stands.
It's 125, but we haven't ate anything. So
I had cheese puffs.
I thought it was gonna hurt more than this though.
Nah, I got shot right in the.
I got shot like two times, and I was like, oh shit, that hurt.
I got shot right. I got shot right here. I had to exit. I was like, ooh. But now we finna do something. I don't know what, but I don't know. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Cause today, while we have plans, the filler don't know what's happening.
Trying to squeeze into my true religion that no. If they don't wanna say you like, I don't buy it with a say you like.
Miss Ray is here. We're about to celebrate the Shirley girl. Her happy birthday, babes. This is the second birthday on my channel, actually. We celebrated her last year at Baby Brasa.
Oh my God, we totally did.
Yes.
And we ate. I'm on YouTube on my last birthday.
Yeah, but you didn't know
I gotta go check that out.
that it was
I was literally on FaceTime, and I don't go on TikTok at all, but today I went and I saw my little notification, and it was... and then I look at it and it's me like, what?
No, but you look so good in that. Did you see the walk? Your walk?
The walk gave. The walk gave.
Yeah. So we're about to eat at Mano Mano. Apparently they don't take nothing but Amex and cash. So that's exactly what we're gonna do.
You said the body unbelievable. Can't trust a big but then a Gemini. I keep it juicy. Eat that lunch. She keep that booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty. Yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Till you see it back, yeah. Back, till you
Dear Shirley, happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay! She said birthday shot. Woo woo! What was that? Birthday shot. Happy birthday!
Bring that ass over, Doja, bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit. I could tell we match. All about my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Big crib in Hollywood, I don't even act. Come relax, let it the tap, put you on the eye. Take a look, with the pop, wipe the pain away. You see, and it's tighter than a Virgil.